Hello and welcome back to another one of our product review videos. Today we're going to be looking at a thermostatic shower mixer. It's the Mulga range and it's from Good Home. We bought it from Screwfix, 10-year guarantee, and the reason why we're changing what we've got already, you can see, is a mixer. This one has failed. I'm not sure which brand that is, but it's about a year old and it's failed already on the hot water side, and it's a lot of hassle to take it to bits and fix it, so we just got this one to replace
Basically,
it.
the thermostat has failed on it.
Yeah.
It's not worth the hassle. This was on offer from Screwfix for 39 quid down from 60. Good Home, that's part of the B&Q brand now, because Screwfix are owned by them.
Well, Kingfisher own B&Q and Screwfix, yeah.
So what we thought we'd do the first one is Mulga. It's
that range of bits, basically.
What we thought we'd do is just show you what's in the box, really.
So, as I say, the reason why I'm making this video as well is if you are thinking about buying this, then at least you know what gets included and the type of finish you can expect.
That's always a good sign. That's
so,
a nice
interestingly,
bag.
it's in a bag. Now, we've had a few shower mixers and they've never been in a bag like that, if I'm honest.
And the good thing about that is it's reusable, so you could use it for something else. Put your tools in it or whatever. So let's have a look at the quality. So that's a good sign, that bag. Chrome looks alright. That's my fingerprints on there.
Yeah.
Everything looks good. So you set that and lock it off. There it's good. It's got 38 degrees, which is alright for everybody, and you can decrease it and increase it, or it locks on at 38, which is quite good. And that'll go on like that, basically. There. So
everything looks good with it. Hot and cold indicated.
Oh, that's a good idea. Normally, you see at the back they've got these little filters. Normally they come loose and you have to push them in.
Circlips.
So these aren't going to come out to protect anything going in. So that's quite a nice bit of kit. What else have we got? We've got some shrouds. I don't think I've got them on ours in there.
No, I don't think we could fit that for some reason. I'm not sure why, but you might want to.
Rubber washers. They'll go in there. One each. Yep. It's got a couple of valves if you need them. If it's a new installation, you can. When you put these on, you can turn them to fit the
Spacing.
So it doesn't have to be spot on. If you're a little bit out, you can twist these around, which is quite good. So it's got all the bits. If it's a new installation, we're just replacing ours.
That's just your standard sort of plasticky.
There we go on top.
Chrome fitting,
At the back there, you can see. They sit there like that. Yeah, which is good. They're nice. Look, we might want to get those on there actually. The other ones, there's two of them. More importantly,
so it comes with a
manual.
And now, in this manual, so there are all different designs available. So you may have one of these in that. What does it say? Mulga, Eferi, Bero. Oh, so these are all the different makes, and it's a leaflet for the whole thing.
So you need to be various languages if that's any good to you.
Yeah, fitting instructions probably.
Another good thing is these are brass fittings if you need to use them. It all looks real good quality. Standard fitting, it'll just swap onto that one there. We'll probably do another video when it's on. The reason we're replacing it, as I say, thermostat's gone. This seems like a good deal with a 10-year guarantee. Anyway, if this is sort of helped you decide, it's quite stylish as well, on a new shower bar fixing from Screwfix, say.
You can get this. You should be able to get this from B&Q as well.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah.
It's one of the same people. Yeah. The only thing, Good Home, I know we bought some paint. Another video, and that was excellent quality. So I know it's a totally different product.
We have made a review about that, haven't we?
Anyway, it's 2 days before Christmas, and things always start breaking 2 days before Christmas. That's why we're swapping it out now. I thought it was the end of the DIY, and I should be in my Christmas gear, but that hasn't worked out. So if this has helped you along a little bit. If you could help us along a little bit and subscribe, it really would be appreciated. Thanks very much for watching.
Thanks for watching.